Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing commands of logo programming. Today also we'll continue with this. So here we have pen up command. So this helps us to move the turtle without drawing anything on the screen. So suppose you want to draw the drawing like then some space, then again some space, then you want space, then again you want space. Okay, so drawing like this, if you want to draw, then you're supposed to use this pen up command. So syntax we have, so either you have to write pen up or pu. Okay, pen up or pu. Now pen down command, this enable the turtle to draw again, this enable the turtle to draw again. Now try to understand with this figure. Okay, so suppose I have given FD 50 here, okay, for this line. Okay, now I want gap, so here I will give pu command. Okay, pu command, understood? Then I'll give command FD50 to move from here to here without drawing. Okay, then I want the line, one more line, then we have to give here PD command, because this PD command enable the turtle to draw again. Now here you can see we have to draw again, then we have to give PD command. Okay, we have to give PD command. After drawing this part, again we want this gap, for that we have to give PU command, then FD command like this. Okay, now let me show you the practical and you try to understand the concept of pen up or PU. Okay, PU command and PD command, pen up and pen down. Okay, let me show you the practical. So here you can see, so first I am giving command FD 50. Okay, first I am giving command FD. Okay, let me start again. FD 50. Okay, now I want some gaps, so I have to give here PU command. Okay, and press enter. Now give FD command. Now you can see the gap. Now again you want to draw something, now you give PD command. Okay, now give FD 50. Now you can see the line. Now again you want gap, then give here PU command, press enter, then give FD. Now you can see the gap. Now again you want the line, so give first PD command, now give FD 50. Okay, now take right turn, then okay RT 90. Okay, then draw FD 50. Now you want some gap, for that you need to give PU command. Now FD 50 you can see. Okay, now again give PD command, then FD 50. Like this you can draw the drawing. Okay, so this is the use of pen up and pen down command, understood? Now pen erase, it brings the turtle pen in erase mode and help to erase the drawing, and this is the syntax, pen erase or PE. Okay, then we have pen normal command. This command is to restore the turtle to work with logo commands given by the user. When you give the pen erase command, the turtle will change into erase mode. Okay, turtle will change into erase mode, understood? So get back to the normal mode, we need to give this pen normal command. Okay, now let me show you the use of pen erase and pen normal command. Okay, first let me clear everything. Now I am giving command here FD 90 or FD 200. Okay, but I wanted to give only 100 step. Okay, I wanted to give only 100 step. By mistakenly I have given here FD 200. Okay, FD 200. So what I have to do now? We have to erase 100 step. Okay, we have to erase 100 step. So what we have to give? We have to use now pen erase mode. Okay, pen erase command. Okay, now let me give here PE command, PE, then now we have to erase 100 step in backward side, so we have to give BK command by 100. Now you can see. Okay, so 100 step erased. Okay, understood? Now to get back to the normal state, you have to give pen normal command. Okay, to get back to the normal state, give normal command, pen normal command. So I'm going to write here pen normal. Okay, now give FD 90. Now you can see it's normally moving in forward direction. If you change that direction, I am giving here RT command. If you want to change RT 90, now you can see, then give FD like this. Okay, so this is the use of PE command, pen erase command, and pen normal command. Okay, so pen erase bring the turtle pen in erase mode and help to erase the drawing. Okay, and this is the syntax. Either you write pen erase or PE, and pen normal command. This command is to restore the turtle to work with logo commands given by the user, and this is the syntax of pen normal. Now repeat command. This command help us to avoid the repetition of primitive. So here you can see this is the program to draw a square, and these are what? These are primitive. So okay, so here you can see how many times we have used FD command: FD 100, FD 100, FD 100, FD 100 4 times, and RT command RT 90 1 time, second time, third time, and fourth time. Okay, that means here we are using FD command. Here we are repeating FD command 4 times and RT command 4 times. So instead of writing these many, we can write, or we can use repeat command. Okay, we can write like this: repeat how many times? 4 times, and in square bracket you write FD 100 RT 90. Okay, repeat 4 in square bracket FD 100 RT 90. Now let me show you the practical. So first let me take FD 200. Okay, then RT 90, FD 200. I am taking the step same only because in square all sides are equal. So sides I have taken here 200 steps. Okay, so I am taking 200 step only. Now RT 90, and again FD 200, then RT 90, again FD 200, then RT 90. Okay, then finally ST command to hide the turtle. Now you can see here we have used the FD command 1 2 3 4 times. Okay, and RT command 1 2 3 4 times. Okay, then we have used ST command to hide the turtle. So this is how we can draw the square. Okay, instead of writing these many directly, we can write, first let me clear using CS. Okay, now I am writing here repeat command REPEAT, repeat 4 in square bracket we have to use FD 200, okay, then RT 90. Okay, now I'm going to press enter button. Now you can see, now let me give here HT command. Okay, understood? So this is how we can use repeat command. Okay, so this avoid repetition of primitives. Understood? So this is the example of repeat command. Then a few examples using repeat command. So here we have draw equilateral triangle whose sides is of 50 step length. Number of degrees in each form equal to 360 by 3 equal to 120 degrees. So we have the step 50 equilateral triangle, that means all three sides are 50. Okay, 50 step here, and the degree we have 120 degrees. So we can write the program like this: FD50 RT120, FD50 RT120, FD50 RT120. Instead of this, we can write this one using repeat command. Repeat 3 times. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, RT also you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, so instead of this we can write repeat 3 FD50 RT120. Okay, now let me show you the program practical. First let me clear everything. First FD50, then RT100, I am taking 120, then FD50, then RT120, then FD50, then HT command. This is how we can draw equilateral triangle. Okay, understood? Now same thing we can draw using repeat statement. First let me repeat command. First let me clear this, then st show turtle. Now I'm going to write repeat how many times? 3 times in a square bracket. In square bracket FD50 space RT space 120. Now you can see, now give here HT command to hide the turtle. Okay, understood? This is how we can use this repeat command. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Then we have print command or PR command. Okay, this help us to print message on the screen. Syntax you can see: print text or message, or PR text or message. Now let me show you the use of print command. Suppose you want to print your name, just write here PR, then a square bracket you write, inside square bracket you write your name, like my name is Pankaj Kumar. Now I'm going to execute this and you see the result, but this result you can see in commander area only. Okay, not here. Let me show you. Now here you can see, oh sorry, command error, PR in square bracket my name is Pankaj Kumar. Okay, now you can see the result. This was the command which I have given just now, and this is the output. My name is Pankaj Kumar. Okay, let me show you one more. PR Don Bosco Academy. Okay, I'm going to execute. Now you can see the school name Don Bosco Academy. Understood? So this is the use of print command. Okay, So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.